So it is Allah who speaks into the chapter 30 Ar-Rum, the Romans. Because the multiplication of 56, the numerical value of the divine voice of the chapter 74 Al-Muddassir Zukulkat 1 give us 30. Because the sum of the result of the multiplication and the addition of 74, the positional numerical value of Allah in Arabic and Western give us 30. So, the grammatical numerical value 30 of each lam letter will give us the 7 heavens and the 7 earths. Testify, it is Allah who speaks into the chapter 30 Ar-Rum, the Romans. So, doing the sum of 30, the result of the multiplication of 56, the numerical value of the divine voice, plus 30 will give us the sum of the result of the multiplication and the addition of 74. The same positional numerical value of Allah in Arabic and Western. We obtain 30 plus 30 equals 60. We obtain 60, the numerical value of the divine voice of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, who is a total number of verses. So, doing the sum of the two grammatical numerical values of the two lam letters, who give us the 7 heavens and the 7 earths into the name of Allah the Only, we obtain 30 plus 30 equals 60. We obtain 60, the numerical value of the divine voice of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, who is a total number of verses. So, the 7 heavens and the 7 earths testify it is Allah, their only creator, who speaks into these 60 verses of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans. So, doing the sum of 30, the positional numerical value of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, into the Holy Qur'an, plus 84, the positional numerical value of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans before the Hegira, we obtain 30 plus 84 equal 114. We obtain the 114 chapters who compose the Holy Qur'an, sacred word of Allah the Only. So, the body of each normal human will give us the numerical value 114 testify it is Allah, his only creator, who speaks into this chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, into the Holy Qur'an and before the Hegira. So, doing the sum of 30, 60 and 84, who are the three numerical values of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, we obtain 30 plus 60 plus 84 equal 174. Doing a multiplication of the numerical value 1 and 74, we obtain 74, the same numerical positional value of Allah in Arabic and Western. So, read all verses of the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, for to know what Allah says there. Consequently, the chapter Ar-Rum, the Romans, indicate us to divide the letter into Adam's name, alayhi salam, exactly in these two precise points. Why exactly in these two precise points? Because dividing letter in these 2 points, we obtain exactly the Roman numerals. So, taking the alif or the numerical value 1 on the left together with V letter will give us letter. Going into the Roman numerals, we obtain the numerical value 4. So, the alif or the numerical value 1 together with V letter give us the numerical value 4. So, the numerical value 4 together with the numerical value 1 on the right give us the numerical value 41. Taking this time V letter and the alif or the numerical value 1 on the right, going into the Roman numerals, we obtain the numerical value 6. So, the alif or the numerical value 1 on the left together with the numerical value 6 give us the numerical value 16. So, Western letter give us the numericals values 41 and 16. The Western emulator gives us the numerical value 141 a first time and the numerical value 141 a second time. So the Western emulator gives us a double confirmation of the numerical value 141, the first three letters of Adam's name alayhi salam. So the Western emulator is in clean connection with the other three letters into the name of Adam alayhi salam. So the Western emulator with the numerical value 141 gives us a double confirmation and testify the chapter 114 Annas, the mankind. Because the sum of 114 plus 6 plus 21, these three numerical values of the chapter Annas, the mankind, give us 114 plus 21 plus 6 equal 141. Reading the numerical value 16 who gives us emulator in the opposite sense, we obtain the numerical value 61. So emulator gives us the numerical values 41 and 61. We obtain the 114 chapters of the Holy Qur'an, sacred word of Allah the Only. In the same time, we obtain the chapter 114 Annas, the mankind. We obtain in the same time the head, the trunk, and the four limbs of the body of every normal human, who give us the numerical value 114. Reading this time the numerical value 41 who give us emulator in the opposite sense. Emulator give us the numerical values 14 and 16. We obtain the numerical value 114, testifying a second time what we said. This numerical value 6 give us directly the 6 verses of the chapter 114 Annas, the mankind. So, doing the sum of the numerical value 114, after we do the addition with the numerical value 6, we obtain 1 plus 1 plus 4 equals 6 plus 6 equals 12. Reading the numerical value 12 in the opposite sense, we obtain 21, the positional numerical value of the chapter Annas, the mankind, before the Hegira. Doing the sum of the numerical value 141 plus the numerical value 6 who give us emulator, we obtain 141 plus 6 equal 147. Doing a multiplication of the numerical value 1 and 47, we obtain 47. Reading 47 in the opposite sense, we obtain 74, the same positional numerical value of Allah in Arabic and Western. Doing a multiplication of the numerical value 41 who give us emulator, we obtain 4 times 1 equal 4. Doing the sum of the numerical value 16 who give us emulator, we obtain 1 plus 6 equals 7. The two results who give us emulator give us the numerical value 74. We obtain 74, the same positional numerical value of Allah in Arabic and Western. We obtain in the same time 74, the positional numerical value of the chapter Al-Muddathir, the collocated one, into the Holy Qur'an. So, doing the sum of the numerical value 41 who give us emulator, we obtain 4 plus 1 equal 5. Doing the multiplication of the numerical value 16 who give us emulator, we obtain 1 times 6 equals 6. So, the two results who give us emulator give us the numerical value 56. We obtain 56, the numerical value of the divine voice, who is a total number of verses of the chapter 74 Al-Muddathir, the collocated one. Consequently, the name of Adam alayhi salam is in clean connection and testify Allah his only creator. So, the Western emulator testify everything that we said in our previous videos. Now, going to close the opening of V letter with the alif or the numerical value 1 on the right will give us emulator. We obtain the numerical value 1 or the alif plus letter Ha Arabic in the opposite sense. So, turning Ha letter in the opposite sense. Emulator gives us alif plus letter Ha Arabic. We obtain the alif in clean connection with Ha letter into the name of Allah the Only. We obtain the alif plus Ha letter in the entrance door of the Kaaba, house of Allah the Only. We obtain the alif plus Ha letter who gives us K letter, the first letter in the word Kaaba. Now, putting the numerical value 1 or the alif with Ha letter in this precise point who gives us emulator. The Western emulator gives us the letter Mim Arabic. Because the Western emulator is opened, the letter Mim Arabic is closed. Exactly as Ha letter is closed and Western H is opened. So, the Western emulator and the letter Mim Arabic have the same numerical, formative, positional and literary values. So, doing the opposite procedure with letter Mim Arabic, we obtain the Western emulator. Consequently, Western emulator equal letter Mim Arabic equal 24. We seen turning the two lam letters into the name of Allah in the opposite sense. We obtain the numerical value 7 two times. This gives us Allah the only creator of the 7 heavens and the 7 earths. Doing the sum of the two numerical values 7 will give us the 7 heavens and the 7 earths. We obtain 7 plus 7 equal 14. So, substituting the two numerical values 7 by the result of their addition, we obtain 14. We obtain the 114 chapters of the Holy Qur'an, sacred word of Allah the Only. So, Allah the Only testify with the numerical value 114 exactly in the center to his name. The Holy Qur'an is his sacred word. So, Allah the Only testify with the numerical value 114. He is the creator of Adam alayhi salam and every human. Because the numerical value 141 who gives us the first 3 letters of Adam's name is in clean connection into the name of Allah the Only and in clean connection with the 114 chapters of the Holy Qur'an. So, Allah the Only, testifying He is the only creator of the 7 heavens and the 7 earths, with the numerical value 177 into His name. In the same time, testify the 114 chapters who compose the Holy Qur'an are His sacred word. And He is the only creator to every human since our ancestor Adam alayhi salam. So, we get one of explanations of the number 1141 included into the name of Allah the Only, and one of explanations of the number 1411 included into the name of Allah the Only, who is the opposite reading of the number 1141. We seen Western emulator equal letter Mim Arabic. We seen Western emulator give us Roman numericals. So, Western emulator equal letter Mim Arabic equal Roman numericals. So, going into the Roman numericals, the Western emulator gives us the numerical value 1000. So, the Western emulator into Adam's name alayhi salam gives us the numerical value 1000. Doing the numerical value 1000 who gives us the Western emulator plus 141, the numerical value of the first three letters of Adam's name alayhi salam. We obtain 1000 plus 141 equal 1141. So the name of Adam alayhi salam gives us the numerical value 1141. We obtain exactly the numerical value 1141 into the name of Allah the Only. Reading the numerical value 141 of Adam's name alayhi salam in the opposite sense, we obtain exactly the numerical value 1411 into the name of Allah the Only. In French language, we say Adam, not Adam. So we have N letter, not M letter. In Italian language, we say Adamo, not Adam. So we have O letter in addition. To be continued to the next video, Insha Allah. Wa sallallahu ta'ala ala Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallama taslima. God bless and say hello our Master Muhammad, his family and his fellows. Jërëjëf, thank you, Sheikh Ahmadou Bamba, a divine science. Jarama, thank you, Mam Sheikh Ibrahima Fall. Jërëjëf, thank you, Serigne Fallu. Nurun ala nur. Light on light. Yahdillahu li nurihi man yasha. Allah guide to his light who he wants. Assalamu alaikum.